Our next story comes from Mathura, where school children affected by the tsunami benefit from a collaboration amongst themselves, 2 NGOs, and the Education Department.
St. Mary's Convent, Mathura. A new school building stands as a lasting reminder of the tsunami and how these students have been able to move on with their lives. But while it is relatively easier to deal with the physical destruction caused by the tsunami, it is the less tangible psychological impact on these children that is harder to address. The children of Mathura have made some progress with a little help from an innovative program that uses the therapeutic benefits of art and creative activities to foster psychosocial well-being within communities, the Happy School or Sathutu Pasala concept.
Children are happy and free because at a Sathutu Pasala, they can participate in various activities and play without any fear. They have the opportunity to come forward and take on leadership at these schools. Even children who have been traumatized can be happy in a place like this.
When we come in the morning, we do things like watering the plants, tending the grass in the field, and sweeping the school. Our school is more beautiful now. It's a lot of fun when everyone works together.
Just over 2 years ago, St. Mary's Convent suffered much damage to the school buildings and furniture. These students too were all part of a community that experienced a huge natural disaster. Through the timely intervention of a collaborative effort of the state and the Sri Lanka Red Cross Society, schools like this have now been mobilized to help children deal with their fears and prepare for the future sensitively and appropriately.
අපේ මූලික සංකල්පයක් තමයි සතුටු සහ ආරක්ෂිත පාසල කියන එක.
Our main concept is the Happy and Safe School. Under this concept, there are various activities that we conduct in the schools. Through these activities, we are able to find out the various shortcomings as well as the psychosocial well-being of the children. We are then able to solve these problems. We develop relationships with various organizations. Once we've established these relationships, those organizations help us to provide things for the school that we can't.
The children aren't afraid anymore. They know we have taught them that if the school bell is rung in a different way, there is danger and that class has to stop. They know from the way the bell is rung. We don't have to tell them. In addition, when we tell them to go to class soon, they know that there is a reason behind it. We try not to tell them the reason.
10 schools in Mathura and Galle have begun to put the Happy School concept into practice as part of their daily routine. As a community-based participatory approach, the activities they organize are useful and relevant, like taking care of the environment, or even creative, such as storytelling, drawing, music and dance.
Drawing has had an impact on their mental well-being in that they were able to draw whatever is in their minds. What they saw when the tsunami came, their troubles, they were able to express all this through their paintings.
The program has been designed in keeping with national guidelines for psychosocial support. Working together with the Ministry of Education to develop this program, the Sri Lanka Red Cross Society also provided school kits and recreational material to the schools. Many among these children still have vivid and varied memories of the tsunami.
I am very happy that several families were saved. It was because of my shouting that they ran away. If not, they would have got caught to the water and have got hurt. They might even have died. That's why I think that my warnings were helpful to them. I like going to school now more than I used to. The children are more united after the tsunami. We didn't have any teachers for art, dancing or music, but now we do. So I like coming to school. I think we should go to school, but some children are afraid of the water. I was afraid too, but coming to school and being with other children has helped me get over my fear. I have forgotten it.
The children of Mathura were severely affected by the tsunami and the destruction it brought. However, the Happy Schools concept of combining learning with creative expression has given them an outlet for their fears, enabling them to look to the future with confidence.